Ooh. Good morning, everyone. Let's get this bread. See if that's on. Yeah, we good. All right. All right, hold on. Let me type this poll real quick. Is the stock market going to close red or green today? Red, green, break even. All right, hold up. Gotta spell that correctly. All right, y'all, fill out. Hey, make sure y'all vote on the poll, cause we've been getting shocked these past couple days. LMAO, good morning. Mom, good morning. C Smooth, good morning. The Victory Mash, good morning. Hey, let's get this bread. My life be like, good morning. Yeah, let's see what it holds. We started off with some negative news. We're in the red. Don't even know what to do. These are the levels. I need to pay a little bit more attention to the levels today. Cause yesterday my charts were like perfect, but execution so bad. Let's see. What is going on? Why does this keep popping up? Hold up. My computer's acting weird. Okay, that should be good. Today's gonna be a fun day for sure. Leonidas, good morning. Mahishu, good morning. Yoko, good morning. Twanda, good morning. And good morning. Tiladesma, good morning. C Smooth, good morning. Oh, you said that's mom? Yeah, 100%. Yeah, good morning to my mommy. All right, Buddha Deb, good morning. All right, so yeah, I got support and resistance charted for everything. I would say Amazon and Nvidia look like they're holding up a lot better than everything else. Let's see. Brandon, good morning. Cynthia, good morning. Dominique, good morning. Rodney, good morning. Jameer, good morning. Kareem, good morning. Shout out to the people that also smash a like button, like D Scurv. Hey, shout out to all my liker non-lurkers. Mass 3DRC, good morning. Black Butterfly, good morning. Yo, we got 9 minutes till the market opens. Here, let's slide this down real quick. See how that. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. Locked in travelers, good morning. Are y'all locked in and traveling? Or y'all about to be locked in and trading? Or y'all doing both? But if you're doing both, are you locked in? All right, let's see what. Hold on 1 second. He said doing both. All right. Lucky J, good morning. Hey, let's come through and all right. I feel like I've never used that one. I'm gonna use that one. SPY still under 500. Fear and greed at 3. Can it go negative? I don't think it can go negative. Also, any news today? Yeah, I was about to read through news, but here, let's take a look at the. Hold up, that's from yesterday. All right, today's market overview. The major indices are experiencing significant downward pressure amid escalating trade tensions with all 4 major ETFs, SPY, QQQ, DIA, and IWM trading in oversold territory as indicated by RSI readings below 25. Here, let's see. I'm not going to talk about technicals. So we got the FOMC minutes and 10-year note auction today as investors assess potential economic impact of Trump's sweeping tariff policies, which analysts have likened to $700 billion in tax on all consumers. Options traders should note the elevated volatility environment and potential for further downside, particularly in tech and small cap sectors, while watching for possible oversold bounces in the near term. I would say that's honestly a good assessment. It's like watch for downside, but also we keep getting these bounces because we're oversold, so gotta watch out for both. Let's go through and hold on. What are you reading? Is it an app? So it's on Derive. It's on Derive AI. So I was reading this little market overview update right here. Now I'm probably about to get on Moomoo. Oh, did not. Sometimes it just does that little snap thing and takes up the whole screen. But yeah, now I'm about to get on Moomoo and I'm about to see if there are any big headlines. Actually, real quick, after what is it? I want to read y'all the headlines I got from CNBC this morning. So first thing I saw when I woke up and saw my phone, China slaps retaliatory tariffs of 84% on U.S. goods in response to Trump. So that sounds like things are escalating, but honestly, we're not down a crazy amount from that. So I don't know. I'd just say I'm surprised, but we're also decently oversold. So I could see us coming up, then coming back down. Also, looking at the SPY and the Qs. So the lowest we hit, which was, I guess, on Monday, right here on the SPY, that's 482. This morning we hit 485. So let's see if we come back to retest that. Maybe break the low, or if it's a double bottom for now. We'll see. Am I going to get out of my SPY play? Honestly, I'll have to reevaluate it because it's I took a nap and then I came and I looked at it and I was like, dang. And, it's just not good. So I have to see where it is now. I think it was at 170 when I woke up from my nap, and it just I was like, dang. I was like, that's probably the most expensive nap I've ever taken. Yeah, I'm still in the TSLL. I'm still in the TSLL. I was thinking I was wondering why I didn't get out of that one yesterday, but also I remember why we got in it. So the TSLL call was speculation, and I think it expires next weekend, so I'm not tripping about the TSLL. But yeah, that SPY call is I'm at a point where it looks like we should pop, but it's the question is how far is the pop, how soon is the pop. So I would say I might not sell the SPY on this. If we go through and we're just oh yeah, we're gonna rip through and come down past 482, I'm gonna just get whatever is left and take that and just put the money towards some shares or something, just because I don't want it to just completely die. But if we haven't broken 482, that still gives me hope for a relief pop. So I may try to ride it up a little bit to reduce my loss on that SPY. But beyond that, it's I probably am, yeah, I'm probably getting out of it, but not right away. Let's see. Did I say good morning, Derek? If I didn't, good morning. Bullish Moolah, good morning. James, good morning. Are you? Oh, well, yeah, you just heard me talk about that. So I would say I'm going to dump that call, but the question is like when. I don't intend on doing it like right at open. I want to see if there can be a little relief before it. Cause that call burned. I'm like, dang. It's like I had it charted too, and yeah, I just didn't even. I didn't even. I had it charted, and yeah, just took the L on it, or haven't yet, but we'll see. Elegant Boom. Good morning. Oh, all right. So we still got 2 minutes. So I was gonna come through, read the news. We also, just so y'all know, I don't have any idea how it would affect the markets, but we got the FOMC minutes today at, I think this is Central Time. Yeah, 1 p.m. Central Time, so 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So yeah, be on the lookout for that. And then we got about 40 seconds till market opens. It's not a hell until you sell for sure. For sure. And it's like, yeah, some wild things have happened. We are definitely what is it? Like, I don't know. If this did turn out to be a double bottom, that would be very clutch. This market is very, I don't know, it's very unexpected. Or it's expected and unexpected, and these moves are just wild. Like when I took that trade yesterday, I didn't factor in the fact that I almost feel like I need to just delete the CNBC app because it's like I'll get the news on the CNBC app, but the news has been out and we've already reacted to it. So it's like pushing me to do things. Remember? No, yeah, I definitely remember. We'll probably have another relief. That's part of why I'm still holding on to it, even after I saw it drop to like 170. Oh, it looks like it's at like 115 right now. Honestly, it's still holding up. Like that's still a good amount to hold up. All right, let's see. So we got the market open. Things are first move is kind of up a little bit. But yeah, these are the ranges on everything. Everything we're in, I have support and resistance drawn on. So yeah, we'll kind of see. I don't know if there's anything y'all want to look at. Hold up. The EU just announced first wave of retaliatory tariffs. Yo, we're really full on trade warring right now. Full on trade warring. All right, God lifts me up every day. Good morning. As always, I continue to uplift you. Yes, very much appreciate you and the family, and pray everyone is blessed in good health or in health and financially. Everyone try to stay uplifted 100%. Very, very much needed. Very much appreciated. Same to you. Video Rillo, good morning. Good morning. All right, y'all. Another move I made this morning. It's I switched up. Hey Bishop, good morning. Wait, gonna bounce because of the overselling and then plummet again. That is likely what is to happen. I'm just hoping the bounce is a sizable bounce. I'm hoping we get a sizable bounce. We'll see. We'll see. Dang, look at Apple. Yeah, Apple's kind of gone. See how Apple holds up at this what is it? 177. Well, I mean, first it has to get there, but see how it holds up. Just moving on up. Oh yeah, back to what I was saying though. So today, what's that? Just got another CNBC notification. Oh, Dow drops more than 200 points as U.S. China trade tensions intensify. Yes, let them intensify. Honestly, if we can get this to keep going, like I don't know, till May, I'll get a few stocks that we can what is it? That we can sell premium on. Not just Honest, not just SoFi. Probably be able to get some I don't even know, like Quantum or something. ZX12SS. Good morning. Good morning. Yeah, we got that first move pushing. Dang, Apple is hey, it's really pushing. Really pushing. Google saying Walmart stocks decline due to sales slowdown and supply chain issues. Let's see. Oh, hold on. Let me pull up my screener just so I can see. Oh, they definitely had an Apple call scalp on Derive 2 minutes ago. And then they have a swing for a put on Derive for the 471 strike. Yeah, I'm gonna watch the SPY on the. Oh, hold up. I'm gonna cut out the SPY on the lower time frame. Let's see how they hold up at this 200 EMA on the 5. Palantir looking at stuff, or I guess like kind of like a number of other YouTubers and stuff, and Palantir and like Google, like especially Google, they don't really have much. Like Google, like if you look at Google and how Apple is likely to suffer with all this trade war stuff, like especially like China, Google is actually a big benefactor of that. So Google is one to benefit from Apple doing bad because it's like I think in China they're now allowing. They said they don't care if companies want to copy the iPhone. They've like kind of had protections against it all this time, but now that this whole trade war stuff's going on, they said, yeah, do whatever you want. You can copy the iPhone and make it yours if you want. And a lot of those companies they would essentially do the same thing with Android OS, which is a Google operating system. So it's like if they're not using Apple because it's like extra expensive and everything, they're more than likely going to be using Google. So Google has a lot of upside. So good time to like start picking up Google too for the long run. Frank, Grand Rising. When is the Apple WWD 25? The day they released their product. Honestly, I don't know. Let's see. You said so we can get a bootleg iPhone for cheap. Honestly, probably. I think back in maybe 2018, 2019 or something. Maybe around that time. I had a Huawei MateBook Pro, which was supposed to be like a MacBook Pro. And yeah, I had a Huawei like a laptop, and it was solid. It was like a MacBook with the touchscreen. So yeah, you can get a bootleg. I'll say the like operating system's not going to be as seamless. Like I like the Apple iOS. Like I like their operating systems, but like when it comes to the actual like look and design, it's like yeah, you can get that. I don't think the actual design of the phone is pretty crazy. I think like the majority of everything's pretty simplistic anyway. They try to keep everything simple nowadays. So here I've lost like 75%. My life is over. Sonic, I want to let you know that I don't know, I mean, first off, I don't know how old you are. I don't know like how much that is, like 75% of what, but um I have lost that numerous times in my life. And a good amount of those times I felt like that as well. But it's like life moves on and things get better. It's like in the moment it may feel hard, but it's like I mean, first off, if you look at this moment, you realize that you're still alive, you're still breathing, you're still moving forward. Randy, good morning, good morning. Appreciate you checking in for Fort Worth. But it's like you realize that, hey, I'm still alive, I'm still breathing. That's the basic necessity. Second off, it's like 75%. We're trading money, all this money, all these currencies that we are moving and gaining. It's like almost like a video game. It's like cool. It's like cool in everything that we can make it go up. It goes up and goes down. Doesn't feel as good when it goes down, but it's like what is it? First off, this money is not real. I don't know if you've seen Wolf of Wall Street, but like, yo, it's not real. It's a fugazi. It's a fugazi. It's like this money that we have. It only has value because we say it has value. So it's like, if anything, if you can take anything from that, maybe you think, oh, these markets are the only way you can make money, or oh, this is the only way that you can make value is by trading value that other people have created. But no, it's like take the time, tell yourself you have value. Maybe you don't believe it at first, maybe you don't realize it, but if you tell yourself that long enough, you will realize that you actually do have value. You actually do have something to give, something to offer. And it's like, I don't know where you are on your journey of making money and whatnot, but there was a point in my time when making, like, I used to like, then I got to it, like, even while I was in school, like selling candy, I would make like 150 a day. And then I don't know, it's like you just kind of move on. And it's like over time, money that seems like it's a lot becomes like not a crazy amount. It becomes like, it's like a level that something that used to be so hard for you to do, to make, to become, becomes a lot more effortless and like possible. So it's like as you move forward in time, it's like this money that you lost or the money that you're down, it's like when you look back, it'll be nothing, and you'll be able to look back and laugh and like just kind of like shrug and be like, yo, I I don't know, I thought it was the biggest thing back then, but it's not really anything. It's like in high school when you're in a relationship and you think your world's over, but then you grow up and time passes and maybe you get married and meet the real love of your life. So I don't know. Just a little rant, but life's definitely not over. All right, how did you get back in the market after the loss? Did you take a break? Um, so there have been several losses. Some losses where like I think in the beginning I'm like, yo, let's throw some more money in. But no, after a few of those, let's throw some more money in. I'm like, yo, I need to like learn some more stuff. So it's like, the me needing to learn more stuff was, of course, for me actually taking the time to stop and look at my trades though. So like, there may be a point of journaling when it's like, hey, what do all of my losses have in common? Just the probabilities playing out, and they're not working in my favor right now. And if I continue this, it's likely to be profitable, or is it like a bad strategy? Am I being impulsive or whatnot? So it's like, how do I get back in the market? It's going to depend on like what the issue was. If that's what the issue was, then I'm getting back in because then I will get back in because of the fact that what is it? I'll get back in the markets because of the fact that it's like I can see what's wrong, but if I don't know what's wrong, I need to take time off and learn. And then sometimes it's like, yo, it's like my mind doesn't feel good trading. That's when it's like, yo, take some breaks, take some time. I think there have been periods I've taken like 6-month breaks from the market. Just kind of depends. SPY broke 500. It did, but will it hold? We'll see. Sonic, you're not alone. Took a beating yesterday, down over. Oh yeah. Honestly, if you count like shares and stuff, yeah, I'm down. Yeah, I'm down. Thinking of getting a few Tesla shares, hopefully under 200 or under. Hey, we'll see. We'll see. I think there will be an opportunity for that. All right, let's see how the SPY holds up here. I see. Okay, I see I'm here. I just heard someone say they lost 75%. It's not over. 25 is the new 100. Just start there and add to the capital to become more disciplined to do. Hey, 100%. What was I gonna say? Another thing is like when you slow things down, you'll notice that you can be a lot more successful over a longer period of time than over a shorter period of time, or at least that's how it was for me. It's like I can have like quick success on a short period of time, but it's like the small good decisions make up like the large, like really large parts of your life. So if you can keep stacking small good decisions, it's like essentially like in the future, what seems large today will be small in the future. So it's like the things and whatnot I do every day don't really seem like they're doing much, but when I look back, I'm like, dang. I was like, I used to work so hard for this. It's like this used to be, I don't know. It's like, yeah, there are definitely levels to it, but it's like, yo, I would just say keep stacking small good decisions. So it's like you see, I like made the entry on FNGA. It's like it's not as good as like, or it's not as volatile and doesn't like go up as much as like grabbing an option, but it's like the returns are still there. All right, same here, Sonic. I lost plenty times, but you'll try again. That's where you find your, hey, 100%. Try again, bro, and learn from the loss. Hey, Big Reg, Grand Rising. Waking up tomorrow is worth more than. No, yeah, 100%. It's like we're trying to pull back a little bit. Let's see how we respond. Come on, SPY, hit 520. Oh yeah, I'm not tripping too much. But nah, yeah, honestly, it's like if it were just me, I kind of be chilling. But it's like just because I know other people like watch what I do, and then some people like do it like when I do it, That's what hurts the most to me. So it's like, if I take a bad trade, I'm like, dang, all these people just copy me. That's why I'm like, not a financial advisor, not a financial advice. That's why I'll say like, this is very risky. This could go to zero. All that kind of stuff. But here, let's see. What time frame do you use the most common? I use the 4 hour mostly. Yeah, 4 hour is kind of my go-to. CMG. Here, let's see. Here, we'll come back to FNGA, but looking at Meta, oh, hold on, wrong chart. I did not chart Meta. Okay. So support is 495. We'll see. So they have a day trade, bearish move. I definitely just heard something. These options premiums are crazy even for 100%. That's why the option's not as dead as one would think. Josh, good morning. Yeah, like the options contract I have is what's it like? It's legit $37 out of the money for a SPY contract, and it's still valued at like 140 right now. That's insane. Hey Josh, good morning. I'm Swayha, top of the morning. All right, let's see. Yeah, we're still trying to push right now. Still trying to push. Where's my phone? Oh, here we go. So I got a headline that Trump says, "Be cool. This is a great time to buy." That's a quote from Trump. Honestly, I stand behind that statement. Stand behind the statement for sure. 60 like, that's under half. Y'all gonna wake up with no Wi-Fi if we don't get to it. Oh dang. Oh, I see 67. We got 140. Oh yeah, that's under. That's about like right there. No, that's slightly under. Should you buy shares or options? So honestly, shares are the way to go. It's like the only reason I'm trading options right now is to hopefully get more to buy shares right now. It's like if I were to run a lick on the SPY right now, I would just turn around and buy shares, like a fat amount of shares right now. That's what I do. That's how I like maintain profitability whenever I have like my big profits. Is just throw it into like whatever stock. Like what I invest in kind of depends on. It's obviously a little different now. I had to like stop some of my recurring investments and like put some other ones on. Like there was a point I was investing in PayPal, but I was investing in PayPal because like it was the most undervalued in my eyes. But now, oh dang, AMD's having a good day. But now it's like now that there are so many other companies that look like they're overvalued in my eyes, it's like, okay, PayPal's not the best thing to be buying into right now. Now that all these other stocks are on sale, I was like, yo, gotta chill out with that. And he said we could buy plenty if you sent the stimmy, Trump. Hey, he might try to send the stimmy. The whole stimulus check thing. Hey, it comes down to Jerome Powell. It's like, yo, we need these interest rate cuts so the country can refinance the debt. After the debt's refinanced, hey, he might be like, yo, Jerome, make the printer go burr again. But FYI, I'm not sure if everyone knows about AAPD, AAPU for Apple, more affordable calls or puts. Here, let's AAPD. All right, so that's a 1x to the downside for Apple. And then AAPU. Hey, this one's a 2x for upside on Apple. Yeah, that's nice right there. All right, let's see. Morning, bro. Thanks for what you. Hey, appreciate your presence, Cheating. Very much so. Very, very much so. And we're still trying to move up a little bit. See if we can break some resistances. Here, what I have up here up top? So we got Amazon, Nvidia, Apple. What else is moving? The PCE is down at 95. Oh, we have Meta up here. So 5. Oh, low-key, I might be up on my. I mean, I got a lot of time on it, but I had grabbed a Amazon call towards the end of yesterday. Oh yeah, I'm up like 15% on it. So here, yeah, let me share that with y'all real quick. So to those of you that aren't in the Discord, here, let me actually duplicate this. To those of you that aren't in Discord, I grabbed an Amazon call yesterday. This is, you can call this a kind of earnings, kind of like large buy the dip, kind of like I don't know. But I grabbed a July 18th, so it has like 100 days on it. And it was a 225 call. Yeah, that probably not going to hold all that time. Wait, hold up. Oh, wrong contract. Where is it? Oh, there we go. Yeah, grab that. Yeah, that's kind of a with that Amazon call, you kind of get the speculation of a potential TikTok deal. It covers earnings. It covers, say we get a decent relief bounce, like the full on relief bounce, not like a daily kind of relief bounce, but here, where's Amazon? Like I can see one relief bounce bringing us to 196, 202, and then I can see 207. But yeah, if you add in, like if it gets really nice and we get like a TikTok or anything like that, or, they announce any kind of like decent guidance, that's gonna really pay. Alani, good morning. Zinnovan, I'm a new investor and I'm very confused. Why is the market going up despite the bad news? So whenever the markets, I don't know, whenever there's heavy selling, in order for the market to be efficient, the market needs to kind of like come back up or there needs to be like a balance of buying and selling a little bit to, I don't know how to fully describe it, but pretty much it's like the market doesn't move in a straight line. So because it doesn't move in a straight line, it's going to have pullbacks to the upside as well. And then also with the stock market, over time, as you get, we've gotten a lot of bad news, but over time, as like nothing, like if nothing gets worse, even though things are bad, the stock market will naturally come up over time. Market open is looking like Monday this week so far. We'll see. Still see we got a 68% red vote. Have you announced any new trades for today? No, not yet. No, I have not. I did like pause my daily recurring investment in PayPal and daily recurring investment in Estee Lauder, just because I'm like, yo, there are better deals out there now. I bumped my SoFi daily recurring investment up a little bit just because I want to like get the full share, at least 100 shares in that. What else I bumped? I bumped up my AMD a little bit too. Jeremy, top of the morning. Della, good morning. QQQ, what is it? What is the buyer put? QQQ is currently at resistance, but right now it's not very clear what's going to happen yet. So like if we zoom in kind of similar to how we are on the SPY, it's not fully clear. Like it could buy up here, but we'll have to see. But yeah, right now it's at the resistance, but it hasn't like fully, we don't have any complete candle above or below. What's a good price for the Amazon call? Honestly, like with all the time and where Amazon is, it's not, I would say the current price is pretty decent. Like you cover so much with that Amazon call that it seems good to me. Let's see. I was looking into an Amazon call. You're welcome, Cinnavin. So if anyone's interested in viewing 3, 6, or even 9 charts at a time, Matthew has a Webull referral link on his how to set up Webull and gives charts for free. Just saying. That's very true. Yeah, if anybody's looking for, anybody trying to sign up for Webull, let me know. I don't use it myself anymore, but yeah, I have a referral link if you need one. Do you think we're about to see a pullback at this resistance on the SPY? I think it's very well possible, but I also think it is very well possible that we could run up. So that's kind of why it's like with the level that we were oversold to, it's just I don't know. We also kind of had like a double bottom kind of thing going over here. So it's like I really don't know, honestly. So we had a first high right here. We had a second high yesterday. This could be like a double bottom. I don't know. Like maybe we do. Like yesterday, y'all may have heard me talk about 561. I would like to see. We just have to see what happens because it's like there's so many things going on technically that it's hard to even say. And we're still like too early in this candle to really say anything too. But right now, like when it comes to an exit, it might be based off the 5-minute for me. How do you set up a put in Moomoo? I mean, I can talk over it, but it would be the opposite of a call. So talking over it, if I'm going to Moomoo and to get a put, So let's pretend I was looking at the SPY. I would then go to the bottom and hit options. And then I would go to the options chain. And then I would click on put. And then I would just pick whatever strike I wanted. So let's say I wanted the 502 strike. I would click on the 502 strike, and then at the bottom it pops up and it shows buy. I would hit trade. Then next it shows the limit order. I put the price I wanted for and hope that it stays below that. And then as that happens, I would just put how many contracts I want, then I would hit buy and then hope it got filled. And if you need to hear that again, just know that you can rewind the live stream and then come back to live if you need to. SPY testing resistance. Yeah, SPY is like, it's pushing resistance, but it's like I'm not fully convinced yet. I need to see some confirmation. It's like right now these 5-minute candles mean nothing right now. What price am I trying to sell my Amazon call? I don't know what price I'm trying to sell my Amazon call. That's going to be based off of like the actual Amazon stock. So it's going to be based off of Amazon getting some sort of run. There's too many factors involved in that. But there's 100 days left for that contract. So it's going to be a lot higher. I think ideally, it would be ideal if it at least hit $1,000, but we'll see what the market gives us. Shout out to the 73 likers, challenge to the 60 lurkers. Oh dang, yeah, we got 60 lurkers. One of my first times watching your streams, what EMAs are you using? So predominantly, like the blue line is going to be the 13 EMA. I like the 13 EMA. This purple line is the 200 EMA, and I actually have a video if you wanted to know how I set it up. Yeah, I got a video that's like fairly recent on my channel. Let's see. Yeah, it's literally from 2 weeks ago. Let's see. Yeah, if you're interested, that link right there is going to go over what indicators I use, which is just the EMAs and the RSI. It's going to show you how to set them up in TradingView. Have I been saying George? I've been saying George, but it's also occurred to me that could be Jorge. Let me know if that's George or if it's Jorge. 'Cause I've been calling you George, but good morning. Or Georgie. Or Jorge. I don't know. Yo, let me know how to pronounce it. Okay. Asar, good morning. Look at SoFi trying to test $10. Oh, see, we're pulling back a little bit right now. Just bought a lot of TSM stocks, not option. I think it's good to buy the dip. Let's see where it is, but I think it's good if you're going to hold it for the long term. Let's clear all that. Yeah, I'd say it's even better at 126, but down here it's definitely not a bad place to be picking it up. I think it's an amazing buy long term. I'm Brazilian. It sounds more like George. Okay. Oh, okay. All right. I knew a George in Portugal. So you speak Portuguese? Yeah, I think my landlord in Portugal, his name was George. Okay, that clarifies things. Yes, sir. Watching 2 years is gonna be crazy. Okay, cool, cool, nice. It's like I could definitely like read Portuguese a lot better than I could speak it. Cool, appreciate that. Appreciate that. Good stuff. Good to know. Now I'm not just like cool. Ooh, it's nasty shoulder pop right there. Yeah, let's see if we can hold this 200 EMA on the five. Like we're still just like we're still like riding up on the day, but we're like I don't know. It's like we're going up and then pulling down. All right, so let's come in. Let's do a little checky check. See if there's anything interesting happening. All right, so no, aside from Trump's "Be cool" comment, I don't see it. Oh wait, hold up. Okay, I see something. Amazon seeks partners for $15 billion warehouse expansion plan. That's kind of interesting because last I checked they had oh they bought too many where or too much warehouse space in Colorado or not Colorado and during COVID, and they bought too much and they had to like either rent it out to other people or like sell it to other people. And there was like a lot that wasn't being utilized. Like there was one in Colorado that had just been chilling there for some years that they didn't utilize, and now they're looking for partners. Wait, let me read that. Yeah, they're trying to expand warehouses. Interesting. Moved up to 83. I see 85. Okay. Hey, we pushing on up. Hey, we pushed the likes up. We pushed the stock market up. Tick tock, tick tock. Yeah, pushing on up, pushing on up. Slow burn. Let's see. What's red today? We got Coca-Cola in the red today. Everything's green. Alibaba is barely in the red today. Oh, it's back in the green. Oxy's in the red. Ooh, Oxy is at $35. I feel like Warren Buffett is like, yo, let's pick this up. Hold up. Let me. There are probably gaps. There's probably gaps somewhere on this. Okay, so it's at 35. Let's see where. There's gaps all the way down to $10. I'm gonna move this alert down here so I don't forget about that. Whenever that gets filled in, if we catch Oxy at $10, I'm buying 100 shares at least. I know this is one that Warren Buffett likes to mess with, but he could have sold all out. And yeah, he probably knew something, but I feel like even down here, I feel like it's It's probably a steal because that's next to like all time lows. I remember when it came out that Warren Buffett was buying over here. Yo, then it like reached heights of 74. Oh, yeah, that's wild. Okay, let's get back to the list. Back to the list. SPY at 560 would be life. Change it. Honest is red. Oh, I was still working my way down. Let's see. So we're at Oxy. PayPal's red. Netflix is red. Rigetti. No, that's not red. Snow is red. SQQQ is red. Honest is red, but hey, I'm still green on those shares I picked up that one day. The yen is in the green, and then Exxon's in the red too. Wait, I think I just saw something that was like of interest to me, but I don't remember what it was. Oh, I think I was like interested in the SQQQ because yesterday I had seen a put on Derive talking about SQQQ with the target of, I think it was a swing with the target of like $40 on SQQQ. So that I think that may also be partially what contributed to me swinging, because I was like, we'll see. All right, this candle right here, or maybe the next one. See how these respond. If it's like a clear break or if it's just like a test. Yeah, let's pull something else up. We have up here Meta. Actually, I want to look at Netflix. Okay, so as of right now, the candle was just a test, so we'll see. What levels do you have SPY hitting by the end of the week? Right now, I have SPY being in this range from 580 or 482 to 500. Unless it like we get a clear break, but of one of these levels, I have it just being between this range. I was like, we're getting like little tests and stuff, but right now, I don't have anything. Cause ideally, it's like you look at it. It's like we sold up here from 560. It's like you would expect to come back up here like from this 560 area, like just looking on the 4 hour, you would expect to sell off again. But it's like whenever you put a time frame on it, especially when it's so short, it's like you can't rush the market. They can do whatever they want with the pricing. If SPY breaks, are you going for puts? We'll see if SPY breaks. It's like I don't like committing to things before they actually occur. Because it's like if SPY breaks, I may just see a bunch of really good shares. And I feel a lot better about shares than I do puts. Matcha and trade. Will Mara drop as low? I don't know. It's possible. It very well could. Where's Mara at right now? That's a huge drop. Just know if you're talking about Mara, except that's a huge drop. Just know you would have to see some big things for Bitcoin too. Yeah, that's a massive drop. I don't think so, if I'm being real. Yeah, that is a huge drop. The last time Mara was at that level was at in 2023. Yeah, I think that's a big ask right there. So I'm gonna say I don't think so. Not saying it can't happen, but yeah, I don't think so. Hey y'all, I'm still waiting on this Fubo. Like we got like this run up. All this time we're still like working to fill in this gap. This is another one I'm still like here, let's that's one I'm still waiting to kind of come back and fill that in. Wonderful Wednesday morning, hey, top of the morning, T Bird. I'm new at trading, but I'm pretty sure this gotta be the um Josh, I wouldn't say that. I would not say that's gonna it can be, but it doesn't have to be. And then if you look at the 200 moving average for the weekly, it's at about 460. And then so I think this looks like a great area for us to bounce from, honestly. Like this looks like we got this here, let's see. So we are at a demand zone right now on the weekly, right? Where is it? Let's see. So yeah, we weekly demand zone right here. Okay, right now we're kind of forming a wick. So yeah, we can push up. All right, our last move going off the weekly from up here to down here. So that kind of, I don't know, that pushes us to about a 530 area. We kind of already did that, but that might be the next candle. I don't know. We'll see. We will see. But yeah, we got this supply zone here that we're tapping into now. The next one kind of lines up with the 200 EMA over here. Slide that down a little bit. So yeah, that's around like 460. So yeah, 460 over here, and then we got another one to like 400. So like how low we come, I don't know, but it's like when we get to these areas, that's when you would expect the slowdowns and to kind of like chill out. Kevin, hold up. The questions are not in order. All right, let's see. What's the difference between futures trading on Robinhood and Legends trading? I can't answer that question because honestly, I don't know. First off, I haven't traded futures on Robinhood, and I don't really trade on Legend, so I cannot answer that question. But I know Robinhood has customer support, and they could probably answer that question for you. You said good morning, Apple to 180. Right now at this level, it's like, oh, hold on. I need to go back to a lower time frame on the SPY, see what's happening. But right now, I wouldn't necessarily say that, because right now we're still having trouble like moving. Right now we're just consolidating. So right here, ideally, you wouldn't be doing anything. Timothy, good morning. Hey, no problem, Kevin. All right, so looking like we may pull back potentially. Maybe not. Still want to see how the candle holds up. It's like we could reverse right here though. See how we look on the 4 real quick. All right, back to the 5. Nah, they're making it. It's holding for now. It's holding for now. They like definitely like slowed it down, killing premiums a little bit, but it's holding. Palantir potential head and shoulders. We can take a look. Yeah, Palantir's at the resistance line, or trend line. Here, let's here 5 minute. Yeah, I see it. AMD at resistance. Let's see. Go back to a 4 hour right here. Where's AMD? There we go. Yeah, it's about right there. Yeah, we'll see how AMD responds. At the start of the day, yeah, they're about right there. We'll see how they respond. May I know which app you're actually trading? So I use Robinhood and Moomoo. This website that you see right here, this is TradingView. But just because I use Robinhood, like the app on my phone, doesn't mean I use Robinhood Legends, just for the record. So it's like, yeah, the trades that I have used or made today, or actually I haven't made any trades today. But the trades that I've kind of talked about, they've been on Robinhood, but yeah, this app is called TradingView. Yeah, we're just here cooling today. We're just moving along very slowly. Let me check these headlines again. BlackRock held a 4.5% stake in Banco. Germany MERS. My message to Donald Trump is Germany will fulfill obligations on defense, strengthen its competitiveness. Okay. All right, so we're kind of like chilling, kind of consolidating here. Not too much going on. It's almost like we're waiting on the next headline. Here, let's refresh, see if there's anything interesting on Derive. Oh, they got a call on Apple. Is that what you were talking about, Moo? Oh, that says it's a scalp though. Yeah, but they so Moo, just to show you, I know you were asking about it. First off, the rating is okay. Let's see. This is the trade they show. It expires on Friday. $80 strike for Apple. Entry or 180. dollar strike for Apple. And I guess the last price it was when they made it was $5.20 per share. Take profits ideally here at 780. So that's just sharing that right there. All right, so we're kind of pulling back a little bit. See what happens right here. See if we hold up. All right. Oh, hold up. I also see that Derive has another trending symbol, FMTO. Ooh, that one sold off hard. Oh my goodness. Well, this is a 4 hour? January 25th. Dang. Bro, I feel bad for anybody up here at this level. Oh my goodness. That is crazy. Yahoo Finance is live talking about something, man. Let us know up or down. What's the dude on Yahoo Finance talking about? PFE, Pfizer, let's see. Oh, Pfizer's pretty low too. Oh, they got a downgrade. Dang. There's also a Vero. Okay. And then is it Delta Airline? Oh, dang, they came back up. Okay. Wait, did they not already announce? No, they announced. Sonya, good morning. Good morning. And then, so Delta, Vero. Okay, so we looked at all of them, and we got, yeah, Apple's pushing up. So yeah, Apple looks like it's making this move towards that $80 level, or $180 level. Check for some more headlines. Alibaba selling off. Let's take a look at that. Oh, it's almost at the trend line. Hey, what y'all think is going to happen when it gets to this trend line? Y'all think it's going to bounce, or y'all think it's going to... Wait. Hey, y'all think it's going to bounce, or y'all think it's going to fall through? Kevin, I've been asking you a lot of questions, brother. My last for today, trading contracts and that one you're doing, which one is riskier? When you say in that one I'm doing, are you talking about like so when you say trading options contract, were you talking about like the what is it, this one? If you're talking about this or trading options contracts is going to be riskier because it has expirations. I'm going to say like 9 times out of 10 when it comes to risk, options is going to have the higher risk out of any of them. This is a leverage ETF, so it does not This one doesn't have an expiration. So I think this is better long term. But like if you have the money and the time that you can ride on the options, it'll be more profitable. Oh yeah, AMD doing that thing. All right, okay. Apple's pushing out too. Hold up, somebody's like yelling outside. Sounds like excitement. Who's that having fun? I'm kidding. All right, Renzi, all of them. What when you say all of them, what? I don't know what you're saying that in reference to. I've been trying to catch a call. Keep going down. Oh, I know how you feel. Trust me. Trust me. Baba will fall. Here, let's look at that again. Where'd it go? Oh, there we go. You think so? I don't think that it doesn't look like there's any gaps that need to be. Oh, hold up. Yeah, I don't think there's any gaps that need to be filled or anything. I don't know why that's still there. But yeah, I don't see any gaps. I might take my chance with the call or something. May bounce then fall. Possibly. Apple almost 180. Yeah, it's done the job. Patience. Baba, that's what I'm thinking. I'm thinking, hey, it can do the little bouncy thing here. So Apple hit what it needed to hit. Let's see. All right, now they put out a put swing on Derive. It's a 475 on the SPY. But this EMA is still like moving up on the SPY. But honestly, it's good if we lose this EMA because this EMA is the only reason I'm still in this trade. If we lose this, I might turn around and try to get some time on it. Where are we at? Oh, there we go. Okay, let's see. Do you think SoFi will get past resistance today? I don't think so. If I'm being real. Honestly, I feel like we've probably hit the top for the day. If I'm being completely honest. I feel like we might come back down, but I'm gonna like wait out this see what happens on this 13 EMA with this 5 minute chart for the SPY. But here, let's pull up SoFi over here. Where's SoFi? Nah, but yeah, every day SoFi comes down, or every day with SoFi at these levels, it feels good to know I'm picking up at least a share, at least one a day. Does this chart look like a double? Does this look like a double top on 5 minutes by chart? I would say it's a little messy, cause it's like in a here. Let's see what it looks like on a 10. 5, 2. I wouldn't necessarily call it a double top. If it wants to like come up and push this again, I would say so. But right now, I wouldn't fully say that. But it looks like it could be forming one. But it's like, it's just really messy right now. You can cash out every day after trading an option. It's just you also get burnt a lot more with the options as well. So just know that. Be aware of that. But you can also like cash out more with the other one as well. But yeah, it's like the options are going to be the more risky option. Hold on, I need to like adjust my Amazon notifications because they keep sending me too many notifications. I like knowing when they deliver something, but I don't like them trying to send me all these ads and get me to buy all this stuff. Where do I adjust that? I don't know. I'll have to do that later. It's not as simple to find as I thought. Is SoFi a part of the SPY? I don't think SoFi is. Um, nah. It might be a part of the Russell, but I don't think it's a part of the SPY. I think it's still a small company. I mean, its market cap's 10 billion, but yeah, that's just like small compared to a lot of companies. And I'm about to start buying as well with my profits. I want my 101 shares. I need at least 100. All right. Okay, let's see. It's not making sense. Bro. Okay, I sold out on my SPY call at like 109. What's today? April 9th. Bro. Bro, this is crazy. Yeah, I might want to like wait around, but I might go for a put later. Let me update the family. Let's see. Where are we at? All right. So yeah, updated the family on that. All right, let's see. What's the website for the news? Forex Factory Thizzle. Yeah, SPY premiums are crazy. Consolidation sideways market. Here, let's actually I want to compare today to yesterday. So we had this run up, right? It's right here. Let's look at the SPY. So yesterday it was see. Yesterday was Tuesday, right? That's in the evening. Dang. Yeah, our range was a lot bigger yesterday. Okay, so yesterday we were at kind of ran up, we kind of consolidated, and then we just like dropped like a rock. Yeah, I'll probably go for a short. We'll see. Low. Dang, this mess is expensive. All right, I just grabbed a 452 split or 452 put expiring on the 11th, and I paid 171 for it. Here, let me add that to the watch list real quick. What is it? Yeah, so I grabbed this one right here. And what I'm hoping to do is ride this to the bottom of the range, and I'm hoping this can happen today. Just because we're up here at resistance and it's not seeming like we're going to progress anymore. Where are we at? So yeah, that's what I grabbed. But yeah, zooming out, kind of looking at the day. Yeah, it'd be cool we're at the top of the range right now. It'd be cool if we can get some kind of move towards the bottom of this range. Just grabbed a 252 put expiring. What is it? The 11th? Did I take a picture? No, I did not. All right. Hey, I see the regulatory fee went up. Used to be 3 cents, now it's 4. All right. AMD puts, what do you think? Honestly, I feel like it'd be a good level for it. Here, let's like we're here, we're at resistance. Honestly, it just depends on how things want to respond to this level right here. It's like, do we want to try to push higher, or do we want to kind of come to the other end of the range? It's like, if it's anything like yesterday, we'll probably chill in this range, like till around the end of the hour. Like, we still got like an hour and 11 minutes on this candle. We'll probably chill up here, and then maybe We'll be about halfway through towards the end, but we'll see. They could also like reverse yesterday and just push up stronger. Wait, updated the family on what? In Discord. Think he got out of a contract. Can you explain the benefits of out of the money calls and puts other than cheaper strike prices? That's going to be the benefit. Cheaper strike prices, and then also, I mean, you get cheaper strike prices, and or the contract is cheaper, and you can make more with less percentage wise. So yeah, higher percentage gains. But ultimately, it's going to come down to like what you think the contract's going to do. Like if you see some that seem immensely cheap, but you see a larger move down the pipeline, then that's when that money's there. Yolanda, good morning. Which is better, regular trading or extended trading? So it doesn't matter. I will say in the extended markets, if you're trying to pick up shares, sometimes you will see prices in extended markets that you will not see during regular like trading hours. So that's something to take advantage of. Like I bought some things at extended market hours, and then like the market opens and it's like you don't have it at that price. So usually there can be more opportunity when it comes to buying shares in extended hours. They got downgraded yesterday, and AMD, and yeah, AMD's not Nvidia. Yeah, let them go on down. Okay, I thought the rate of return was based on how much you put in. Yes, it is, but it's like if you put like the rate of return, like if you buy 5 contracts at $5, or you buy one contract, $125 contract, it's going to be a little bit different because those contracts could be up 25%, or those contracts could be up $5, but 5 going to $25, or $5 going to $10, that's 100%, whereas 25, like a contract that's $25 going to $25 or going to $50 is 100%. So it's like if you put the same amount of money into each, it takes a lot less for the contract wise to get it from one that is at $10 or $5 as opposed to the other one. But also it takes a lot more to make that move. So it's like there's a lot factored into it. Put in coming on Tesla. Looks like we got puts coming on a lot of things. AMDL $3, 4.17. Yeah, that seems like a solid put. I need AMD at 80 by the end of the day. Let's see. Even better if it's at 76. All right, so we're coming on down. All right, yeah, let's do it. Let's watch this to the downside now. Let's watch the EMAs. Let's see how we go. Let's see if we can get across to the downside. I'm gonna turn off the 200. Oh, wrong one. But yeah, now we're coming down. Let's see if we can make some kind of move to the bottom of the range. That would be cool. Let's see. Oh no, yeah, definitely add a buffer. Can you do options live trade with Robinhood? What do you mean by can you do options live trade with Robinhood? I'm in this one right here. I shared this one when I got the trade. If you're talking about me or if you're I'm not, I don't know exactly what you're asking, but I need to stay focused on this chart so I know when to get out of the trade. So we stay on these charts on this stream. Oh, there's Amazon. I gotta go pick up my package real quick. Hopefully we keep falling. I'll be right back. Should I sell if the SPY hits 480? If that's your profit target, I'm just trying to catch a trend, ride it down. Like if we still have momentum, I'm going to ride it because I would like to recover or exceed or go up on as much as I can, but we'll see. I'll be right back. Let me pick up this package. All right, we're back. Okay. All right, let's see. Good morning. Do you mind looking at a TLT put? Let's see. I mean, we can look. What are you trying to get me to look at with them? Why would you? My question is why get a put right here? It's at like a key level. Honestly, this seems more appealing for a call to me. But like, what would you want to see for a put? It's like I can look at it, but it's not something I traditionally trade. If I were to grab a put on this, it would be up at this like $94 area, but below here, I like the idea of a call and at $84, $85 level. But no, I feel like I like a call here more than I like a put. Lucky J, I see your loading bars. What are we loading up? What are we loading up, Lucky J? Yeah, let's see if we can get across to the downside on the SPY. Here, let's refresh. So Derive has oh really? An NVIDIA swing put for the 17th on NVIDIA. Oh yeah, I said NVIDIA. And it's for the 92 strike. So I'm gonna show y'all, anyone who's interested. These are kind of the numbers. So yeah, 92 strike. Last going for $3 is from 5 minutes ago. Yeah, take profit 450, stop loss 225. Let's look at NVIDIA. Hold on, wrong chart. Where's NVIDIA? Oh, you said that was for me? Appreciate that. Appreciate that. What's up, Achuhu? Is Robinhood good for day trade and swing trades? Yeah, Robinhood's good for day trades and swing trades. I think Robinhood is fine up until you try to start scalp trading and you need to be like in 1 second and out within like the next minute or so. But yeah, if you're just day trading, in my opinion, Robinhood's fine. Like it's not the best, but it's like, it's more than good enough to get the job done. I think a lot of people are tripping when they say Robinhood isn't, can't do what it needs to do. But all right, so yeah, let's see how the SPY responds at this 487 level. Or first, see how it responds at 491, then 497. See if we can like get some sort of move to the downside. So we've got the cross to the downside on the 2-minute chart. That's a good look. All right, so Robinhood, that's up 31%, or the SPY put. Picked up a SPY put at 502, so hopefully, bro, the 491 put is 900. Yeah, that's why I'm like extra out of the money, bro. Like I'm down here at 452. Yeah, these premiums are no joke. No joke at all. We're coming down now. We got like 29 minutes to Euro close, but honestly, all the news, like we kind of went green, but all the news that we heard today was negative, like retaliatory tariffs from China, retaliatory tariffs from what is it? Europe. And I think today's the day everything kind of starts going into effect. Do you trade UVXY or no? Not I don't personally. It's like I know what they are. It's just not one I typically trade. Hold on a second. Do you think now would still be a good time to pick up that SPY put? Yeah, I would think so. It's still, I mean, it's not as good of a time, but yeah, I would think so. It's like looking at the range of like support and resistance is closer to the middle, so it's like an all right area, but not as good. But say we're trying to push and make new lows or do anything crazy, there would be a lot of potential there. I got TSLS $13 call. It's actually going. Oh, hold up. I need to get out my TSLL. Well, actually, nah, Tesla's holding up. Yeah, yeah, I'll let that do its thing for now. Good morning. What do you think about Baba and JD Chinese stocks? So I don't know about overall Chinese. We looked at Baba earlier. It looks like it's heading towards a trend line, and it's like I like the idea of picking it up. Where is it at? I like the idea of picking it up around this $85 level, or 85, 86. But nah, I think it could continue to fall for now. What brokerage do you recommend for getting in and out of trades? Um, I just use Robinhood and Webull, or Robinhood and Moomoo. Honestly, I'm gonna say they're all okay. I don't have like I'm not like a crazy day trader. Like I'm not a scalp trader or anything like that. So it's like to me, Robinhood is good enough. Moomoo's good enough. Like even Webull, it's just Webull makes you pay for live options quotes, so that's a little annoying. But no, I would say those are good enough. If you're trying to like, if you were trying to take a trade and get in right now, and then be out by now, then it's like, all right, maybe look at some. I know a lot of people like Thinkorswim, but Thinkorswim, their employees have been known to sell your data on the dark webs. So I personally don't mess with them anymore. Hello, where do you look at morning news? So I look at them on Derive AI. I look at morning news on, like, also on Moomoo. And then I also look at news on, what is it? On CNBC, but CNBC is usually kind of late when they send out the headlines. So yeah, I would say best places are going to be kind of Derive AI, and then also Moomoo if you look on the news tab. We are already seeing some movement from countries in talks on tariffs. Ukraine will receive first tranche of windfall profits on Russian assets. Aim for I don't know what that means. It's the president's choice whether to raise tariffs on Russia. Russia is already subject to heavy U.S. sanctions. Russia's attacks on Ukraine have only increased since ceasefire offer. Walmart US CEO says we expect e-commerce to account for 60% of sales over the next 5 years. Welcome, ObitoX. All right, let's see. All right, so we're retesting this EMA on the 5-minute to the downside. See how it goes here. Turn off the 48 for now. Who made the EMA you use on TradingView? Can't find it. So I believe in this video, I show exactly how to set up the indicators, how I use, but it's just a regular, it's the one that's called moving average exponential. It's just the regular one. And it'll put one up at a time. It's not gonna, it's not gonna be all these colors. Like all these are like individual EMAs that I added, but they're all that moving average exponential. You are very welcome, Renzi. Yo, another live unboxing. So I got like this laser level. I'm trying to like, oh, interesting. I got this little laser level. Hopefully it works right, because I'm about to start putting stuff on my walls and hanging stuff. Because this room is still very plain. I've been here for about a month now. This is it. Yeah, while we're just here letting the market do what it does, figure may as well. Yeah, that's what we got today. I don't even really know how it works. Okay, there's a power button right here. Ooh, wow. Oh yeah, I like that. Oh yeah, that's nice. Wait, what is this? Oh, okay. All right, so yeah. Whoa. Yes, I got a laser level. Let's see. Does it matter? Okay. Yeah, that's cool. That's neat. I like it. All right, TradingView has one that is moving average exponential times 4. Give you options for 4 EMAs. You can save the limit. Yeah, that's one way to do it. Let's see. But can you just adjust them? Let's see. All right, let's see. Those lines are kind of thick. Let's see. Can you adjust them first? Oh, this is solid. Yeah, it's kind of solid. So, look, if I did 13, 48, we'll leave the 200. Take the style. I think 13, 48. Then we go over here. And I just have this off. I'll probably make it. I don't think I can make it thinner. Oh no. I would have the thickness down here at this level. Let's see. Where we at? Thickness down here. And then thickness down here. Let's see. Oh yeah, it lines up perfectly with my other one. Yeah, they all line up perfectly. Yeah, so that's a good way to do it. I might have to make a tutorial on that. Thank you. I was looking for one that you could like individually adjust them. That's nice right there. Yeah, I might have to make a video on that. Cause people are often like asking how to kind of get them all for free. Oh yeah, that's a cheat code right there. Yeah, appreciate you, JM. Good stuff. Do I have any puts on Amazon? No. So the Amazon is like a long. That's a long term. I don't care if that goes down short term. It's like I might even be willing to grab more calls long term on that, but no, I don't have any puts on Amazon because Like they can stand to just have surprise news. But I'm gonna personally take that EMA off on mine. I'm gonna take this off just because I like having like the individual, but still, yeah, that's good stuff right there. So we got 17 minutes till Euro close. Okay, so I see a day trade for the SPX. Let's see what they're a wrong chart. Wrong chart. All right, so the strike so the expiration is on the 17th. The strike price is like this what is it right here? It's gonna be about right there. And oh, 7,900 and the here let's see, where's dang. Take profit would be about 10 grand, 200. Here, I'll just show y'all. This is what the SPX trade looks like. So yeah. Yeah, that's pricey, but yeah, that's the move. Looks like it's pointing out more downside. Let's see. Hit the like button. Oh yeah, appreciate that, Mahishu. All right, SPX is just the yeah, that's the yeah, that's the S&P 500. It's like kind of like yeah, it's the S&P 500, yeah. This is the index, whereas the SPY is a ETF. So they're very similar, but like options are going to be very different. Like you're going to see crazier returns from the SPX because it's going to be a lot different, and then also you notice in the chart you see more gaps in the SPX because the SPX like only has like certain hours that it's going. So yeah, got a little pull back on the SPY to the upside. You said we're getting killed on the SPY put. I'm not worried about the SPY put. Yeah, I'm still in. You said getting killed. Are you talking about the call or the put? I got out of the call. I'm in a put now. The put's down like 7%. Oh no, yeah, I'm still in the put. The put, like we haven't even like no, yeah, it's still early. We're still young. Like no, this is actually good because I was worried about it like coming to fill in gaps. It's like it's good if it comes back right now because yeah, if we come in and pull back up this early, that means it can continue on a lot better. Like you don't want to. Wait, hold up. Oh, this is a new candle. But yeah, it's like you don't want to be up like that. If we like confirm above 500, that's when you get worried about the put. But as of right now, nah, we're still range bound and we're at the top of this range. Who's that at my door? Oh, it's just somebody walking by. Um, yeah, we're just chilling right now. Bump up to a 15. All this green feels so manufactured. It kind of is. Like right now is kind of like serving as temporary relief. As it's kind of like if you kind of look at the pattern for things, it's like we'll start off like the first hour or two in the green, and then we'll kind of sell the way we want to, like after Euro close or so. But yeah, I agree. It feels so manufactured. But the PCE is almost like even on calls and puts. Just wild. I mean, what's crazy is here. Why do I have Nvidia up twice? Is Tesla. I guess this trend line didn't hold up too well with Tesla. Let's see. Adjust it. Oh, if you draw it like that, it looks a little better, but still not the best. Honestly, this might be my Dan Ives, a prominent analyst, has reduced target for Tesla from 550 to 315, while shares were trading around 244. Tesla named best idea at benchmark, cites robo taxi rollout as major catalyst. I'm not gonna lie, like owning a Tesla, yeah, consolidation. Yeah, I mean it's annoying if you're day trading, but it's opportunity depending on like where you're coming at. Interesting call accumulation on AI calls. Let's see. Well, this thing has been on a ride. Let's see what they look like on the weekly. Dang. Yeah, that's wild. It still got gaps to 1150. This market still has a lot that it can fall. Kevin, good morning. I want to be out of this AMD put by the end of the day. I think it could happen. Honestly, I would say start looking for it like right after I get off this stream. Like give it a few minutes. I don't know. Usually it's like they like to wait till I get off the stream for the excitement. It's like I always try to like if I try to stay longer to share some excitement with y'all, it's like the market's like, nah. We're gonna wait. It's like a shy dog going to the bathroom. It's like, oh yeah, I don't want those people looking at me. So that's why I'm anxious. Why are options so expensive on the SPY? Because the volatility is high. Right here we have the VIX, the volatility index. If we take a look at it, this is a weekly chart. Here, let's see. So normally you'll see the SPY is between this, I don't know, like lower end 11, upper end maybe 23, and like higher times of volatility. But like right now we're kind of like if we look on the chart, we're up here at 49. That's more than double where it normally is, and even at like kind of some of the heights of the more volatile times. So while you're up here, yeah, things are going to be probably more than double the price of what they normally are. That means they're watching the stream. Yeah, probably the lurk. Hey, it's probably all the lurkers. Yeah, we probably got some lurking market makers out here. Don't wanna chat. Don't wanna like. Got some lurker non-likers. Lurker non-liker manipulators. Price manipulators. That's what we got going on there. Hi all. Anyone making money? Yes. Just depending on where you look at it though. I have to go. Have a wonderful rest of your week and weekend. Hey, have a blessed week, Mahishu. Blessed weekend. Have a great day. That's the facts right there. Lurker, non-liker, manipulators. Be crazy to think that the lurker, non-likers got power like that. Imagine we have people just like lurking, not liking, and trading against us. Like that video that Josh sent yesterday. Well, I guess he sent it like 3 weeks ago. But that video from Josh that we looked at yesterday, that's what the lurker non-likers are doing. Robinhood's running slow today? Is it? I haven't been trying to do too much to it. Let's see. Let's see if I can notice it. I don't know. It's working for me, but I'm not trying to like enter or exit anything right now. So I don't know if that makes a difference. But it looks like numbers wise, it looks like it's holding up for now. Do you think the sock sell trade on Derive is still good? So that was new, so I don't see why it wouldn't. Where'd it go? 42 minutes. Let's see. So the sock sell is a day trade. It was at 866 when they found it. I mean, it's pretty much in the same spot right now. So yeah, it should still be good. It might even be a little bit cheaper Going for the 950 strike. Yeah. I mean, yeah. Yeah, that seems in line. That doesn't seem too wild. I want you to notice or I'm not sure if you see it, but the rating for it is fair. But here, let's see what the profit target is. Take profit target is like 117. If I were putting in that order just from like what I was doing, I would probably put in like 110 if I wasn't watching it closely. But if I'm going to sit here and watch it, maybe it goes 117, but you just have to see. I've been in, when you say APPL, are you talking about Apple or are you talking about, what is APPL? Yeah, are you talking about Apple? And up 4,700. Want to quit, but letting it run a bit more. When you say, is it okay? What do you mean by, is it okay? Honestly, if you are happy with your profits, yeah, I would take profits, but that comes down to you. It doesn't hurt to put like a stop loss or anything, but yeah, that's going to come down to you, honestly. I can't tell you whether to buy or sell. Since I keep forgetting to check if it's a day trade, swing trade, etc. Yeah, the stock sales it's a day trade. Apple should be coming down, but see profit, take profit. Yeah, Apple looks like it'll kinda. Yeah, it looks like it would come down, but I've also seen instances where it's looked like this and it's gone up. But yeah, ideally Apple comes down. All right, so we got Euro close right now. See how we kind of do, how things go, how we take the closing of Europe. All right, yeah, Apple's pushing up a little bit. Let's see if they're trying to like psych us out or not. We got the Qs kind of pushing resistance. We got the SPY kind of like testing it again. Bro, I saw the Fed decision contract on Robinhood. Vlad truly is a. So no, so Robinhood is not the first platform to do that. So what is it? Interactive brokers. They've been doing those for a while, and they have things for, like, you think they're wild in for the Fed decision, bro. Interactive brokers. I feel like they had some related to like weather and like, I don't know. I don't know. It was for some crazy stuff, honestly. It like the smallest things, like let's say we came here and look at Forex Factory. You could say, "Oh, is the 10, like they had stuff like on like, "Oh, what do we think will happen with the 10-year bond auction? Above this, below this, yada yada yada." So, I would say the Fed rate decision, not like that crazy, because I've definitely seen crazier. is this? All right, yeah. So, yo, come on. Sell on off a little bit. Still got to close that little 4 hour candle. All right. Yes, sell, sell, sell. Let's go check in on AMD for young Josh. Josh said he needs it at 80 by the end of the day. I think we got it. Hopefully we got it here pretty soon. I'm not in AMD or anything, but hopefully we got it here pretty soon. Y'all, I'm gonna need everybody, if you are listening, put a number between 1 and 10 in the chat. Y'all are gonna help me with something. Number between 1 and 10 in the chat right now. Okay, I see 7. Lucky J with the 7. 7. Okay, 7. 2 sevens. Okay, 4. 1. 7. Okay, 3 sevens. Okay, we're going crazy with the sevens. Oh, Chase with the 8. Okay, Yolanda 10. Okay. Oh, 3. 8. 8. 8. Okay. 2. 4. 8. Okay. All right. 5. 7. 8. Dang, I'm gonna have to go through. Saw a lot of sevens. I gotta see. Oh, 9. 9. I'm gonna have to see what we. Oh, 8. Okay, I think eight's getting there too. Okay, 10. 5. All right. Okay, I'm gonna say let's stop it now. I'm gonna see which. Wait. Okay, we're still coming down. Just gotta make sure relevant. I gotta kind of tally them up, see which one has the most. I'm gonna count the sevens first because I feel like they got the most. Okay, I see 7 sevens. Let's see what else we got in here. Low-key, there's a lot of 8s. Let's see if we can get more than. Oh, that's another 8. Okay. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, dang. Okay, actually, we got the same amount of 7s and 8s. All right, so I guess that means 8 wins. All right, let's see. Okay, we got another 5 in there. Let's see. I see a lot of 2s too. Okay, yeah, it's looking like 8. 8 is looking like the winner. Let's see. Oh yeah, 8 definitely won. Okay, Randy's going crazy with the 8s now. Going crazy with the 8s. Okay. All right. Thank y'all. Oh, Lucky J with another 70. Hey, new beginnings. All right. Hey, we're here for it. We're here for it. All right, so yeah, I'm gonna do some pull-ups in a moment over there in the doorway. I'm gonna have to that means I gotta get 8 in. Thought we were looking at 7, but we're doing 8. All right, Apple looks like it's on its way back down a little bit too. Randy, hey, Randy really wants these 8s. Hey, Fort Worth is saying 8. Natasha's saying 7. And let me also take this moment to say, make sure you are caught up and live. Make sure if you click on that live stream, or if you look at it, click like next to the volume button, click on the live stream button, and yeah. I need Apple to hit 165 today. Oh yeah, let's make that happen. Let's make that happen. I would love to see that happen. These curve, weren't you the one that just needed it to hit like 125? Or not 125. What was it? Wasn't it like 220? Dang, that's wild how fast that happened. We were looking for 225. That's so fast. Did SPY give you a $75 put option earlier? Yoko said 10, eat them. Okay. It's like I could. Definitely can. 225, yeah, for real. Randy, keep throwing those eights in. Keep throwing those eights in. All right. I feel you, family. Hey, we're here for it. Yeah, let's see. Oh, they just put out a put on Robinhood. It's a day trade, but they gotta put out on Robinhood for the $31 strike. The $31 strike for next week. Let's see where Robinhood's at right now. Okay. Oh yeah, that's a move right there. But yeah. Oh, Yoko, you gonna do them with me? All right, I guess it's time to get them in. All right, SPY is falling below 496. Hey, when we get a candle open up below 490. Here, let's go to a 5-minute. When we get okay, hold up. Yeah, we open below 496. Let's go ahead and get it. Let's get it. I'm gonna come through and do them right now. All right. Step on back. All right, let's go. I feel like I might want to make these wider in the future. Hope y'all can still hear me. What was it, 8? Yeah, it was new beginnings. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, now I'm hanging. Just sitting here hanging. We'll do 2 more for Yoko. He said 10. 1, 2. Cool. All good. All good. Still chilling around 496. I'm a little hot now. You said 8 miles on the treadmill? So I think I have a stress fracture. So I gotta alter my training a little bit right now. I can still kind of do a jog, but I kind of have to have uglier form. So right now I'm more focused on mobility and not trying to bear too much weight or pressure on my I don't know, it's in my shin. How do you do that? Can't even do one. Hey, well, there's levels to it. So the first thing that you would do, if you can't do one, they have assisted machines where you can put weight on them. Get used to that. And sometimes it's hard with the assistance. You start at the top. Maybe you jump up and try to use the assistance and just let yourself down slowly. Then over time it gets easier to do that. Then you kind of lower the weight of assistance. And over time, just consistency, you'll be able to do one. Coming on down again. Heart's kind of beating a little bit though right now. I'm gotta catch my breath. Yeah, we're moving down a little bit. So we got a lower high coming on down to make some progress. Let's see. AMD's at 81.19. Top of the morning, Jack. Top of the morning. Fear and greed still at 4. Hey, it was at 3 earlier, so looking good, looking good. Or maybe not good, but hey, all I'm hearing, Chase, is it's a good time to buy stocks. Yeah, let's see what we look like on a 15. Yeah, we're about to close. Yeah, let's see how this candle closes on the 15. First 15 a euro close. If Apple does 165, I'm out. Hopefully crack 5K. Will be my first 5K in option. That would be amazing. Yeah, if Apple does 165, wait, hold on, I mean, that's a large move from where it's at, but I mean, it could happen. That's just, wow, that honestly, Apple cracking that 165, I feel like it might be, hold on, I just heard a loud thump. Let me make sure my wife's not doing anything crazy. All right, y'all. All good. All good. Okay, let's see. What is your advice for swing trading this week and next? Supply and demand, support and resistance. That's all I gotta say. Yeah, trade level to level. Let go of your expectations and trade level to level. That's all I gotta say. Take it one level at a time. Supply and demand. And if you don't think it can happen, it can. That's all I have to say. SoFi at 8 to 10 is a steal. Yeah, I'm still buying. I'll buy a little heavier once it gets to, I feel like I had it like I had that it can get to, let's see. Bottom of this zone is like 750. Let me go up to a weekly, see if that's a possibility. Yeah, there's still like a gap down to like 545, and there's like some liquidity at 445. So it's like there's still room for things to get worse, but you know, we'll give it time, let it do what it does, see what happens. You know, things may get worse before they get better, but it's like when it gets good, it gets really good. Wish I had a pull-up bar. That would be a good purchase. Hey, it is. That was saying. Hey, what Where do you say you live again, Josh? Like what area? Was it Dallas? I don't know. All right. SoFi, if SoFi gets to the 5 or 7, we should all. No, yeah, 100%. Yeah. Josh, Walmart got cheap bars for the doors. Oh yeah, they do. They do. Oh, you live in Maryland. Okay. Okay. Yeah, yeah. Amazon. Amazon too. I've seen some for 20 on Amazon. Definitely like the quality is like not the best, but it's like they still work. They still do what needs to be done. Hey, hit the goal on the likers. Yes, we did. Appreciate that, D-Skirt. China rumor news. Oh no. Oh no. What is the let's see. Let me check. All right, let's read some headlines. I don't think I see anything too crazy yet. Depending on how far back we need to look. I don't see anything about China. Let's see. President Donald Trump sued for firing Democratic official from U.S. Anti-Discrimination Agency. Let's see. NASA nominee says he has had no contact with Trump advisor Elon Musk about how he will run agency if confirmed. Um, yeah, I don't know what the news is. Amazon returned 1 month. Walmart 3 months. After 2.5 months, return and upgrade the bar. Hey, that sounds like I mean that's arbitrage right there. It's like honestly sometimes with Amazon, not Amazon. So sometimes with the Best Buy, I got like their little. It's expensive if you don't get stuff, but if you do, actually, I'm not sure if it's either $50 a year or 200 a year. I think they dropped the price. I think when I first got it, it was 200, but I think like they kind of changed it now. It's 50. But either way, um, it's like I get the warrant like because I have it. It's like I get the protection plan on like everything. Like if I buy like say I buy an iPhone, and Apple Care is like usually like 170 or 200 or something for that. It's like it's included with the phone for 2 years, and it's like the Apple Care that Apple uses. So it's like depending on the kind of stuff you buy, it kind of covers it. And it's like I get the warranty protection plan on anything. In a lot of cases, like for instance, my camera, like whatever I use for YouTube, it's like say I got a Canon camera. They they usually upgrade them like once every 2 years or make new ones. It's like right around the time that the warranty is about to switch out, I can like return it and use the money to upgrade to another one, and then the cycle continues on. So it's kind of like I look at it as almost like a upgrade program. So it's kind of clutch. But yeah, you still don't get 90 days for returns. It's like 60 days. But technically, it's like 2 years if you're willing to just switch over to Best Buy credit. Is nice. Honestly, there should be a drop unless they pause tariffs again. Another thing to realize as well is the fact that what was I going to say? They can also these drops that we got, the market is often looking ahead of what's already kind of priced in. So it's like, notice we dropped down huge before we got the tariffs. We were pricing in what we thought could happen. So if things don't continue to get worse, or if we don't think things will get too much worse, you might notice us start moving up. That's something just to be aware of. China raised tariffs and president is tariffing the pharmaceutical. Oh, that's wild. No, but like the first thing I got in the morning was China did retaliatory tariffs for like 84%. That's the first thing I saw when I woke up. But I didn't see anything about pharmaceuticals. CNBC, Beijing messaging insists despite the retaliation, China is willing to talk. You said Best Buy is bad with returns? What do you mean by that, Demha? So I'll say Best Buy, honestly, it might depend on where you are. But I would say in Colorado and where I'm at in Texas, they've been perfectly fine. But also I had like I think it's like their Best Buy, I don't know, Best Buy Total or whatever. I think it depends on what you're getting. Like if you're getting like they're different kind of protection, but like for all my cameras I get, no matter what happens, like if I drop it into like a lake or a river, I mean I still have to have it. Like I need to be able to retrieve it and bring it back to them. But if I buy it and crack it and then return it, or buy it and crack it and I want to exchange it, they'll exchange it for me and like no questions asked. Like I buy a lot of I don't know, I bought this microphone from Best Buy. Honestly, a lot of my desk is from Best Buy, my monitor's from Best Buy. And like a cool thing is like the monitor when I bought it from Best Buy, I think it was like three something, I don't know, like 380 or something. Then it went on sale on Amazon and I was like, I just went online, price matched it. They sent me my money back. Then the price dropped again. I was able to price match it again. They sent me the other money back. Then it dropped again. Like I did like 3 price matches from Amazon on the computer. So it was like really nice, in my opinion. Like when you take advantage of Best Buy and like price match with Amazon, and I think Best Buy is clutch. Honestly, I don't know how they are like continuing on as a business though, if I'm being completely real and honest. I feel like they just be a major loser the way things are going, but you said wow, computer's warranty. Um so like I don't know. It's like they got all the Apple products, so that's cool. But yeah, it's like they replaced things like no questions asked pretty much. Or they ask questions, but it's like they don't need anything. Black Friday and Christmas. Oh, honestly, I don't even see how they. Well, actually, I feel like, bro, when I used to work at Best Buy, and people would come in like around that Black Friday and Christmas season, they would just buy stuff because it was that time of year. Like they weren't even good deals. Some stuff, I feel like the prices were higher, and then people would just see it. So I could see like that Christmas season and stuff. I'm like, why are people here? I'm like, yo, Walmart has better deals. Amazon has better deals right now. Like, why are they here getting this? But Best Buy is just, it's a cool, fun place to be. What call do you have on Amazon? So the call is for like July 18th. It's going to be a long time. Like this is going to cover earnings and then some. So yeah, it's a July 18th, $225 call. Doesn't Best Buy have? Yeah, Best Buy has price match. So they do have price match, but a lot of people that were coming in to get the stuff, they weren't matching the prices. They were just like, oh yeah, hey, like Best Buy, for a lot of people coming to get certain things, it was kind of a one-stop shop for the things they were looking for. And it's like a lot of people just didn't ask questions. They weren't trying to, oh, they didn't get the best deal. Oh, y'all said I was one of them. Hey, I was definitely that person on the other side. I was like, whenever people came to Best Buy, I always tried to help them get the best deal and help them like, I'm like, yo, if you do this, price match this, or like, I don't know, you can also like price match the Apple education pricing if you're buying Apple products. I'm like, yo, if you do this, and this, yo, you can get a free pair of headphones on top of this at no extra cost and the extra like protection plan. And actually, this protection plan will save you. Like, you will pay less if you get this protection plan and get this free thing. Yeah, it's like, and then some people are like, oh, no, I don't want a protection plan or like whatever. But it's like, it was weird. Man, I feel like that's me yesterday. I'm still in an AMD put. Wish me luck. I'm riding this SPY put alongside your AMD put. Does price match work for Amazon? So the only thing about the Best Buy price match on Amazon is that it needs to be shipped and sold by Amazon. So like if it's directly from, I don't know, it's like some places will, like, say it's Samsung, say it's a Samsung monitor or whatever, but it's like Samsung selling it on Best Buy or on Amazon. Sometimes Best Buy will match it, and then sometimes they won't. But when I did it, it was shipped and sold by Amazon, so it's like yeah, they matched it. What's your opinion on call credit spreads for SPY? I mean, anything can happen. That's going to be the first thing I can say. I feel like there is profit to be made off call credit spreads. I just don't I don't love it. I'm gonna say that, but I feel like, yeah, there is definitely money to collect from the SPY coming down. Do you go to the same Best Buy I worked at? Wait, did I stop? Okay, so I worked at one in Colorado Springs, and there was a point I stopped working at that Best Buy, and then I started working at Amazon. So I would still go to that Colorado Springs here and there after that. I don't even remember how I stopped like working at that Amazon or at that Best Buy. I don't think I got fired. I think I just put in like a notice. I think I was just like, yo, I think I gave them like a 2 month notice or something like that. I was like kind, but I was like, yo, yeah, I'm not getting anything from working here anymore. Hold on, someone just asked me to do something. Hold up. One moment. Let me look at my schedule real quick, y'all. I got like a meeting today. I just don't know what time it's at. And someone asked me to do something. Let me see. Okay, so my meeting is at 3. Okay, so I don't think I'm available till, I don't even know how long it is. I'll have to let him know in a moment. Here, let's see. Market's still making me sweat over these puts. Hey, that's what it'll do. That's what it'll do here. But we're still in the range right now. We're still like looking at market structure. We're still getting lower lows and lower highs. So, well, actually, we still need to put in a lower low. We put in a lower high right here, but we still need to put in a lower low. Same, I just wanted to drop so I can move on with my day. I used to work at Amazon too a couple years back. It was actually super chill. Oh, yeah. Yeah. The only thing I didn't like, I mean, there were some cool and positive people there, but then there were like a lot of people there that were just like, and like, don't get me wrong, everyone was kind to me. It's just like everyone, like their mindsets and the way they thought. I didn't want to be around those people just because it was like it's like you can if say you got a bunch of me's. I consider myself pretty optimistic, and then I put myself around a bunch of pessimistic people. It's like it's so much work to kind of like counteract that. And it's like a lot of people there, they think, hey, this is the existence for the rest of my life. Whereas it's like I was listening to podcasts every day while I was either like listening to a stock market live stream while I was working or listening to a podcast like once the stock market closed while I was at Amazon. And I was trying to move myself forward, but like there were people that's just like, okay, yeah, this is what I do in my life. Move it from here end to end. So I needed to have that moving forward. Yeah, but it's definitely chill. How does taxes work with trading? So taxes are going to be the taxes are what is it? Oh, you're only taxed on your profits. So it's like if you by the end of the year you're up like $10,000 on your positions, and it's going to be like the positions that you've taken profits on. If you've made if you're up a total of 10,000 that you've actually realized gains wise, you'll be taxed on like you made $10,000 profit. So it's like if you realize 10% or $10,000, and I don't know like the exact like percentage, but like let's say you get taxed 30%, you'll be taxed at 30%. If you're eligible for write-offs, you can still like write stuff off against it. But ooh, that is a majestic. Oh, that's okay. Yeah, had a nice little hawk flying by, but that's how it works. I have Palantir to 75 by the end of the day, Apple to 170. Hey, we'll see. Let's see. Oh yeah, Apple's still like still trending down. I don't know. I guess it depends on where you draw them. But all right, family. We're gonna call it a day right here. Yeah, so we'll see what happens here. But yeah, that's gonna do it for the day. Appreciate each and every one of y'all for stopping by. We're on a little bit longer than normal. So hey, I had a cool time with y'all. Appreciate each and every one of y'all stopping by. Hope each and every one of y'all's trades go y'all's way. Matthew Manuel signing off, and I want to change your life. All right, peace out, Christine. Peace out, Lucky J. Peace out, D Skirt. Peace out, Breeze. Peace out, Josh. Peace out, Yoko. All right, y'all. Hey, what's up, Hakeem? Peace out, Hakeem. Hey, yeah, be sure to hit that like button on the way out. Achu, stay blessed. Appreciate you. Oh yeah. Definitely gotta let the puts hit. Peace out, Rohan. Peace out, Kevin. Peace out, George. Yeah, y'all stay blessed. Have a good day. Matthew Manuel signing off. And I want to change your life. All right, let's get it. Where's my mouse at? Where's it at? All right, peace out.